The previous video examined paragraph 1 and the idea of relative motion in the context of a magnet and a conductor. This video lecture will focus on two postulates developed by Einstein. To start, Einstein mentions a coordinate system. He then considers how the equations of mechanics and electrodynamics relate to a coordinate system. Note that the equations of Newtonian mechanics are said to be valid in a coordinate system that is moving at a constant velocity with respect to another coordinate system. Next, Einstein utilizes the idea of a coordinate system that is moving at a constant velocity with respect to another coordinate system. To better understand this concept, I have drawn two diagrams. There is a coordinate system A and coordinate system B. In the diagram on the left, coordinate system B is moving to the right as viewed from coordinate system A. In the diagram on the right, coordinate system A is moving to the left as viewed from coordinate system B. These two diagrams, or perspectives, can correspond to the same physical situation or event, regardless of how this motion is actually occurring, and both perspectives are equally valid. Einstein then claims that the laws of electrodynamics are valid in any coordinate system that is moving at a constant velocity with respect to another coordinate system, just like Newtonian mechanics. This is called the Principle of Relativity, which is a postulate. Now I will roughly motivate the second postulate, which is about the speed of light. If you agree that physical laws and their conclusions remain the same regardless of whether a given coordinate system has a non-zero velocity with respect to another coordinate system or not, it is then logical to assume that the conclusions of electrodynamics are the same in any coordinate system that is moving at a constant velocity relative to another coordinate system. Since the speed of light in empty space is a conclusion of electrodynamics, it is then logical to assume that the speed of light in empty space is the same regardless of whether the coordinate system has a non-zero relative velocity or not. That the speed of light is constant in any coordinate system moving at a constant velocity with respect to another coordinate system is essentially Einstein's second postulate. I say essentially because there is a difference between a coordinate system and the phrase emitting body that Einstein uses in the second postulate. In Einstein's words, in empty space, light is always propagated with a definite velocity v, which is independent of the state of motion of the emitting body. In a sense, the speed of light is elevated to the same level as a physical law that is valid in any coordinate system that is moving at a constant velocity with respect to another